Hi, I'm Marek. I'm 29 and I'm from Krakow, Poland. 5 years ago, here in Istanbul, I had a massive car accident. Well, it was a car crash. Later on, my face was burned severely till third degree, and that's how I lost my hairs.
Had one control surgery for the eyebrows, right? And for this
Exactly.
corner. How many grafts? Do you remember the number?
Don't remember. Sorry. I was thinking about the
Mustache.
mustache reconstruction, but I'm aware it might be too early because of the burn
Yeah.
process.
We'll first start with the planning of the surgery. Okay. What do you do during the planning? First of all, of course, we're going to evaluate your donor area. It's basically the back side of that and around the ear areas, where we're going to do the extraction or the harvesting of the grafts. We'll look for its size, density, distribution, how many grafts on average you'll be able to get from it. That's number one. Number two, we'll evaluate your recipient area or the area where we should make the hair transplantation surgery. As you remember and as we have talked, it should be a step-by-step surgery, yes. Okay? And with the first surgery, we shouldn't be going with the very high density, but medium density of around like 30-40 grafts per centimeter square, just to rebuild the frame of the face. And if needed, or if you said that's fine, now we see that everything's fine and leaving, let's go with the second surgery to densify it a little bit, maybe. Or maybe you'll say, that's enough, I'm much better than it was, and I'm happy. It's all about you, okay? So basically, what do you need, what we can get, and let's see how we can help you the best possible, in terms of the coverage, of course, we're talking about, okay?
So my hair loss starts like around 5 years ago, and it was quite big. That's why I decided to choose the clinic. In the past, I was trying numbers of products, but unfortunately, none of them was positive effect.
Not too much. I don't want to go very aggressive for now, okay? But I want to extend it a little bit here as well. Before the incision starts for the eyebrows, I'll remark with my surgical pen, okay?
Sure.
Good. But the priority will be higher density here, with this line, you can see, and some transition to this part. Okay.
And maybe also just to, as you correct, I mean, just.
No, this side will be covered. Don't worry about that.
Perfect.
1, 2, this area, and this. So higher density, slightly lower, medium to low density. It shouldn't be very dense here. Okay.
So the communication with doctors and the whole team was quite good. I mean, I always was fully informed about what will be the next steps, and also if I had any problems or questions, my questions were always explained deeply, and that's why I recommend this clinic, and also that's why my whole impression about the clinic is quite positive. Follow the true transformation.